Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Epic Universe, Universal's newest theme park. In this video we're going to be exploring Dark Universe, Super Nintendo World, Isle of Berk, the Wizarding World, and I'm going to be showing you all the new amazing rides and more. Join the kingdom and follow me in this epic adventure. So a lot of you probably don't know, but I've been here to Epic Universe before. I was able and very lucky to come to the first preview of team members with one of my family members. All I can say is that this area over here is my favorite one. I basically did everything inside this park. The only thing that I wasn't able to do at the previous was the battle of the Ministry of Magic. At that time it was kind of broken down. Today when I came in, I tried to do the virtual queue for it, but in like 2 seconds it was already bugged. And it says that it's closed right now, but I don't know if it's closed because you have to get the virtual queue or because it's not working today. There's another queue dropping at 3 p.m. I will check to see if I can get on that one. Now I'm going to be going into Dark Universe, my favorite park of Epic Universe. That could probably change because I haven't been into the Ministry of Magic. I went through the queue though, and it was very impressive, but we'll see. Let's go into Dark Universe.
Lower the lights, quickly. Now, our friends. See?
Igor, take control of their machine. Don't worry, it's not like your gift. My masterpiece, Dracula, under my control. Wait, something's wrong. Another way out. Get back!
I just rode this thing and it was amazing. It was a great ride. I wish it was a different ride vehicle, but yeah, I'm gonna go to ride Curse of the Werewolf and visit some other things around here at the Dark Universe.
They never listen.
They never listen. Never. Stay away from the women. They never listen.
Just rode Curse of the Werewolf. That ride is pretty short, but it is really fun. Now, I think I'm just gonna go and ride Frankenstein again. Why not? adorable, like every single one of them. So I got a mystery pin pack. Honestly, I don't care which one I get. I would like to get the chaser pin because it's basically the art. We will see. Okay, first one, the Wolfman. And then the second one, Victoria. I'm not gonna say that they're not great pins, but they're not the best. I'm gonna read it again. It's 25 minutes, so third time, why not? My time over here in Dark Universe comes to an end. I'm just going to hop to a different area of the park. So I'll see you over there. Look where I'm at, Super Nintendo World. I'm going to try to do the single rider line in Bowser's Challenge, and then I'm trying to see if I can get a return time for Donkey Kong, because I really love that ride. This Super Nintendo World, it's a lot bigger than the one in Hollywood, but I like the entrance that says Super Nintendo World in Hollywood. Let me just go around and explore. This is definitely a lot bigger than Hollywood. Like, look at this. This is huge. I already got my visor. This is such a cute ride, but the sun is so brutal. I would recommend bringing sunglasses. Look at Toad with his gold egg. Look at him, so cute. Now I'm gonna go over there, Donkey Kong Country Island, so I can do the Donkey Kong ride. Made it to Donkey Kong. Music is really loud in this area. I am going to be riding my car matinee, so I'll see you over there. I like these two and I don't know which one to get. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So last time I came I bought this one and it goes in and out. I just noticed that they're selling new lanyards. When I came they only had one. This one was the one that I saw when I came. This one, which is the one that I have right now. Universal Orlando Resort. Mine says Universal Hollywood, so I am gonna keep mine. Well, my time over here comes to an end. I'ma head out.
Viking. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good. Is this like a little ball that you throw for your dragon to play fetch with?
Yeah, maybe. It could be used as that too.
Yeah, it looks
has
like it.
Multiple uses.
Okay, wonderful.
Do you know Toothless' favorite snack? by any
Yes,
chance?
he loves lake trout. If he's acting up and you want to bribe him, you can always bribe him with some good lake trout.
Thank you for the
course.
tips.
See you
I'll
later.
see ya. Honestly, with this weather, I would get on that, but I want to get wet with jeans. My day over here at Berk has come to an end. Now I'm on my way to the next portal. Let's go. As soon as I stepped in here, it started raining. Love that for me. I'm going to try to see if I can get a return time for this ride, even though I have the virtual queue thing, but I want to go and see.
Be aware, certain passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the wizard lot.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprisingly trial. Hello? Are you going to the trial too?
Of course not. The whole wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
Oh
I
no!
will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Bingo.
Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives. There she goes. Peabody will help. Stupid! You're after her. We won't let you stop us this time.
Find Umbridge. You filthy mother!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Now's the time Timer's dropped. Finish!
God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
Order!
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge. For your crimes, you will spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
Dolores and this lot will go to Azkaban soon. Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the ministry. Thank you, friends.
This ride, it's amazing. Like, you couldn't tell where the screens and the animatronic like started. Everything kind of blended. It was crazy. I like that they're using kind of like this new screen effect. It's not like a projection screen, which definitely looks a lot better. The giant magical creature animatronic, crazy. I really love this ride. I'm really happy that I was able to do it. So I'm heading out of here and seeing what else I can find over here on the Harry Potter world. I love that all of these are fantastical creatures. I love all the Fantastic Beasts representation. I love Fantastic Beasts.
Okay. All right. Let's. Oops.
Well, the circus is closed. I can't see the show today. Anyway, there's not that much exploring to do around here. Like Super Nintendo World, you either buy an interactive one and interact around here, or you do nothing. My day has basically come to an end over here at Epic Universe. The only ride that I wasn't able to do today was Stardust Racer. It's over there somewhere because it started raining, and by the time that I got to it, it was weather delay. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. I was able to ride it on preview, both of them, so I am good with what I did today. I rode many things. I am really happy that I was able to come on this preview. I definitely recommend everybody to come out and explore this park. I heard somebody say something that honestly, I agree. This is Universal's Magic Kingdom. This park, it's literally the best park of Universal Studios to date, and I can't wait for everybody to see it. So yeah. This has been an epic day to say the least. If you like this video, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and I'll see ya on the next one.